Greetings, family. This is Ima. Today, as we stand in the vibration of 1111, we remember the oneness of all life, the divine thread connecting our body, mind, spirit, and the Creator within. The number one represents divine creation, the I am present in every soul. When it appears as 1111, it becomes a sacred mirror, reminding us that we are all reflections of the same source, one divine light, expanding through many forms. This isn't superstition, it's awareness, a call to remember who we are. 1111 invites us to live intentionally, care for the body temple, and walk consciously with spirit. Begin each day by clearing your mind and visualizing light washing through you from crown to your feet, releasing what is not love. Hydrate with living waters or herbal teas. Stretch, move, and breathe. Allow the divine energy to circulate freely. Take a moment to honor your ancestors, those whose strength and wisdom flow through us even now. Their light lives with each heartbeat. Clear your space each day with a single sage leaf, a bell, humming bowl, or word sound, saying only peace, beauty, and divine light dwells here. Energy lingers in the home. Clear it with sacred maintenance for the soul. Write down whatever feelings, worries, tasks, emotions. Release it to spirit and make space for clarity. Before stepping outside, pray for guidance and wisdom. Ask your words and action reflect divine order. At day's end, journal what you've learned, who you met, what energy you felt. This keeps you aware, growing in your light, expanding. Eat with consciousness. Ask, would I offer this to the divine within me? Choose vibrant foods made with love and gratitude. Your body is a temple of the Creator. Nourish it as such. This 1111 gateway calls to purify, align, and awaken. Let go of what no longer serves your higher consciousness. Step into clarity, compassion, and purpose. Every thought, every act of love, every breath of gratitude sends a ripple throughout creation, touching hearts, healing the earth, awakening the divine unity. So today, breathe deeply. Give thanks for your body, your ancestors, and the opportunity to begin again, rooted in love, aligned with divine order, and one with the source of all creation. 1111, the mirror of divine unity. As within, so without. As above, so below. We are one. So let's take this moment to share this light with the people of Jamaica and Haiti who are going through struggles right now since the hurricane. Use your light, no matter how small or how large, to support your fellow humans. Give thanks. You'll find some organizations helping below. Thank you.